So this is day number 2 of Jarvis.ai Intensified. So today we're going over eBay, Amazon listing services. So this is another one. We're going to use Facebook organic, and we're going to start searching for drop shipping groups, right? All right, so we're basically going to go in here. We're going to drop some knowledge. We're going to use Jarvis the whole way, right? We're going to start answering frequently asked questions, provide some tips. We're going to pick, 5 groups, and then we're going to just start dropping value bombs. We're going to start answering questions. We're going to use Jarvis for all of it, if I can find it. Right, so we're going to use Jarvis, and then we're going to use, I got a recipe. No, I don't have a recipe for any of this. This deleted for some reason after 15. So we're going to go to the templates, and then I'm going to use the PAS template and then the Quora answers, and I'm going to make it all pretty. So right here, so I'm going to do the core answers. I'm going to get some questions. What I like to do, I would go to Amazon, and then I'd find products on like the 5th, 6th, 7th page that aren't ranking very well, that need copywriting assistance. We're looking at some kind of supplements. So a lot of people, I don't know if you know this, but you can private label rights supplements. So somebody else already made the formula, and all you do is slap your logo on it. So some of these people do that. They spend the $4 or $5 grand, and then they just take the ad copy that's already from the manufacturer, and it's garbage. And these people are on page 4 or 5. So if they don't have a ranking in the top 100 of their category, so 705, so they're like really good sellers rank here. So we're looking for stuff over 100,000 in the overall category they're in. Look, so there's 140 different pages of protein. So some low-hanging fruit is obviously the drop shipping Facebook groups that everybody's in, or you can do the Amazon forums as well. We're looking for low reviews and really high rankings. The higher the ranking, the lower amount of volume they get. So why everybody goes with protein or supplements is because it has a high value, and it's usually really cheap to manufacture. It's usually like $4 or $5. Let's find the seller rank. So this is 167. So anything under 20,000 is usually moving 100 units a day. So I'm saying anything under 100 is usually moving like 20, anywhere between 10 and 20 units a day. So this is 167. That's 127 in sports and pea protein nutrition. So this maybe is a viable contender. I would definitely look at what they're saying for the reviews. These got pretty good reviews, 2-star. So look, and you can basically just take their sales copy, right? Copy it, and then you can copy it back into Jarvis and use the content improver template and improve that, right? So they're gonna have an email, so you can contact them by email, right? So we're gonna take their brand name, and then we're gonna look on Google and see exactly. We're gonna contact them through their email. We're gonna use hunter.io. That gives you like 20 free emails a month. Pea protein is an easily digestible source of power post-workout protein for athletes. Peas are not considered a major dietary allergen, so now sports pea protein provides pure, natural, unflavored nutritions that mix well with other foods or shakes without clumping up. Some proteins do. See, that sounds great, right? Maybe we could add some power words in there, but that sounds really good. Especially for that. This is only 600 characteristics. But let's find the Now Sports. So this is just an example of how I would do it. So Chrome extension, and then you're going to either go on Google and download hunter.io. So we're going to go to grab hunter.io, or in the header, right, should be a contact me, right? Recipes, internet, copy this. Great. So I just got the sources. All I have to do is log in. I get 25. I think it's 25. Yeah, so I get 25 searches a month here. So these are all the people at Now Foods that we just found, and we could drop them an email, cold outreach email, saying, hey, I love what you're doing. I love this product. I'm a professional copywriter in the supplement space. I was wondering if you could look over this ad copy that I rewrote for you. Thanks so much, right? So that's just a way to get in the door, or, you could give them some kind of incentive, like a lead magnet or more content, something that will help them get a result. Even a headline or just an extra sentence could give them an extra 1% conversion. That could be a big amount of money, right? So I would go through these reviews and see exactly the objections that these people are having. And I found out it's from China, but I'm still buying it, right? So if it's from China, you could be like, hey, I recommend this supplier. You can go to like Import Geniuses and find out where anything's imported at. Or Import Yeti. I don't know why I did. So we can find out where any brand is getting their supplements or their products from. But so this is just one idea, but I think the quickest way would be the Facebook dropshipping groups. And then, because all these people have a lot of questions, and I'm talking hundreds a day. See, like all of these, right? So 10 posts a day, 10 posts a day. And these are relatively small groups. They probably have really good engagement. So say the group has 10,000 members, right? So if these posts are getting, 500 comments, that's 10% engagement, right? So we're looking from anywhere between like 3 to 10. So to get the most eyeballs on them. So I would hit up Amazon, dropshipping, Shopify, eBay groups. Does this make sense? And then offer my services. So just drop some nuggets you can take it straight from Jarvis, and you could do Facebook ad copy or anything like that and show off your skills to these people. These people are in the Facebook group. They already know they have the problem. All you have to do is guide them towards the solution. You can't create desire, but these people already have the desire to change and they're looking for solutions actively. So just give them the solution to the problem. That's all you have to do. Thank you so much. That is day 2, and I'll see you tomorrow.